Hey everyone, it is here again from Screen Money, and today I'm going to show you a site where you can go to make really money from home. In this site, whether you are from Canada, US, India, UK, all over the world, I will be presenting the options where you can make really money today. Stay tuned at the end of the video and I will show you where you can go to make 2,500 a week working from home. Now before we get started, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification and give me a quick like so don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get into it. I want to bring you to this site today. It is called FlexJobs. FlexJobs has been around for a very long time, and I'm gonna bring you reputable companies where you can find really work from home with an experience. And now FlexJobs is definitely one of those sites that does that for you, similar to Indeed, where you can go and find really jobs today. So what I will show you here is why we use FlexJobs. So FlexJobs, now there is a ton of junk out there for jobs. FlexJobs specializes when companies go to them and they won't advertise the role, they will actually go there. They will meet with different people. They will find out a little bit about themselves, what they are paying, speak to people that are already working from, and really ensure that they are a reputable company where you are going to be looked after, and also make sure that there is actually jobs out there for you. Or so you are not wasting too much time. FlexJobs does that for you. However, what FlexJobs does as well is they will actually charge you $14 to be able to search their jobs and to be able to apply for their work. Now, because they actually charge you, obviously it is a monthly subscription for you to have access to their jobs as advertising. But in saying that you are going to find the jobs that are available and also ensure that the jobs you are actually applying for are definitely worth to be able to get a job. And when you think about when you go out for an interview to travel that to get in, there is a cost involved in everything, and you find really good jobs to make money online here in FlexJobs. So FlexJobs looks like that. So if you are professional jobs, FlexJobs options and high quality satisfaction guaranteed with all their jobs they are advertising. And you can see here FlexJobs started in 2007. It has been around for a very long time. So how FlexJobs works? Work is changing, jobs are becoming a new normal. Now the office is often a home office, hybrid workplace, or whatever you want to set up shop as the number one job site to find the best remote work from home. And FlexJobs for over 14 years, we know how to help you have a faster, easier and safer job search, just as we have helped millions of people. Let us help you. FlexJobs is a game changer compared to the other job sites. This opened up my eyes to a whole new world of opportunity. I feel like I have discovered a golden key. All the resources are right there. Take advantage. So they do all the hard work for you. Obviously, they do that by matching your skills with companies out there that are looking for you. So who should use FlexJobs? How and why? FlexJobs started. FlexJobs was created in 2007 to provide a trusted, more effective, friendly and overall better way to find professional, remote and flexible jobs. We were founded by Job Space Pioneer after she had been looking for a flexible job. After starting her family, she realized that millions of others were just as frustrated by the ads. And we seem to show up in the press quickly as people turn to us for guidance. You can browse hundreds of those articles on our press page. Who should use FlexJobs? The quick answer is anyone who wants a job with some kind of flexibility. With some kind of flexibility, remote work from home, hybrid part-time, hybrid and part-time, and freelance or flexible schedule. For example, FlexJobs is a fantastic resource for people interested in working from home or remotely. Same freelancers looking for more clients and projects, parents wanting to be more flexible for their kids and families, people who live in rural or local areas where they can't find a job in their career field without having to move, caretakers of loved ones with health issues for the same reasons as above, military spouses who need flexibility to work from anywhere, anyone looking for flexible or alternative schedules, and anyone else who will appreciate a job that better with their life, not a life that fits with their job. How FlexJobs supports the United Nations. Remote and flexible work can powerfully contribute to improving some of the world's top challenges. In consideration of this, FlexJobs supports the development goals set out by the United Nations. Learn more about the connections, offers, and the best thing about FlexJobs, and what I really like about FlexJobs, is where they are located and where they offer work. And one of the best features I think that I like the most is the fact is there is a lot of jobs in the United States, but when you scroll down here, I have clicked on jobs by location, and you can see there is jobs in India, Canada, and United Kingdom, and Australia, and Mexico, Germany, and other international jobs. And the other good thing about this site is you can go anywhere job, so you can learn from anywhere in the world. So this site will actually give you the opportunity to get a job with a company and travel the world. And to me, that's a goal, and that's something that if you want to travel and you want to work in different places, you find somewhere you can earn $10 to $15 an hour, 2,006 and 2,600 a week, and you can go traveling the world, and it is something cool. And you can do that, and you can find a job with no experience. It is unbelievable. So as you can see, it is a pretty big site, a lot of opportunity, very reputable company, and a lot of options, and a lot of training provided as well. I highly recommend it that anyone looking for any jobs with no experience or even with experience. And if you want to work from home with no experience, I definitely recommend you this site. It is called FlexJobs, and they are people who have been a lot of different networks where they have been promoted, and again, very beautiful company. And I have searched for a week from home, so you can search for jobs here and then go to the search tab. So as you can see, all different jobs that come up from anywhere, and you can automatically see there is a job here, as you can see here. And if you are scroll down, work at home, all different types of jobs will come up. And like I said, this particular job, so with this particular site, you will need to search for this site. It is called again FlexJobs, and you will be on your way to earning some money. Hope you like this site, and I hope this video helped you, and make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out any videos about to make extra money online.